Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? How's your term 1 exam preparation is going? Are you reading properly? Students, I hope you are doing well. Okay, so come back to your English study today in class 4, your subject English grammar. I am going to make recapitulation means revision of your chapter number 9 countable and uncountable nouns, chapter number 10 nouns number. So students, everyone open your grammar book, come to your chapter number 9. Let's see. Students, open your page number 39. काउंटेबल मीन्स जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं, दोज हु आर काउंट. ओके, एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स मीन्स दोज विच आर नॉट काउंटेबल मीन्स जिसे हम गिन नहीं सकते उनको हम अनकाउंटेबल बोलते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1. Circle the countable nouns. Students, in this exercise you have to make circle on countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns in the following. Students, in this exercise you have to make circle on those words which are countable, means to whom we can count, and you have to make underline on those words which are uncountable. स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक्सरसाइज में जो वर्ड्स काउंटेबल है उसके ऊपर सर्कल करना है एंड जो वर्ड्स अनकाउंटेबल है मींस जिसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते उसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी. नंबर ए, न्यूज. कैन वी काउंट न्यूज? नो, सो वी विल मेक अंडरलाइन हियर. ओके. नंबर बी, वेदर. वेदर तो पता है ना किसको बोलते हैं? हवामान. कैन वी काउंट इट? नो, सो वी विल मेक अंडरलाइन हियर. ओके. देन नंबर सी, बुक. कैन वी काउंट इट? यस, वी कैन काउंट बुक्स. ओके, सो वी विल मेक सर्कल ऑन दिस वर्ड बुक. नंबर डी, hate. हेट मीन्स किसी को हम लाइक नहीं करते, हेट करते हैं, उसको हेट बोलते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल मेक अंडरलाइन हियर. ओके, हेट को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. नंबर ई, केक. केक तो सबको पता है हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, सो यू विल मेक सर्कल हियर. देन नंबर एफ, वर्क. वर्क, हम जो वर्क करते हैं उसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, so we will make underline here. Then number G, sand. Sand आपको पता है, sand means rate. Can we count it? No, we can't count it, so we will make underline here. Number H, vegetable. Yes, we can count vegetable. Okay, so we will make circle here on vegetable. Number I, water. Can we count water? No students, we can't count water, so we will make underline. Then table. Yes, we can count the table, so make circle here. Number K, wisdom. Can we count wisdom? No, it's uncountable, so underline here. Then number I, ice cube. Can we count ice cube? Yes, so we will make circle here. Then number M, electricity. Can you count it? No, it's uncountable, so make underline here. Number N, bread. Bread आप लोग खाते हो ना? Can we count it? Yes, so make circle here. Number O, xylophone. Can you count it? Yes, we can count it. So make circle here. Number P, desk. We can count this one also. So make circle here. Number Q, this. Can you count this? Yes. So make circle here. Number R, salt. Can you count salt? Salt means namak. उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं? No. So make underline here. Number S, crown. Crown को आप काउंट कर सकते हैं ना? Yes, we can count it. So make circle here. Number T, happiness. Can you count it? Happiness को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं? No. So underline here. Number U, rice. Can you count it? No. It's uncountable. So make underline here. So I hope you understood this exercise very well. Read it properly. Okay, students? Let's see next exercise. Exercise number 2 on page number 40. Okay. Look at given pictures. Then fill in the blanks with countable and uncountable nouns. Students, you have to see this picture, and after seeing this picture, you have to write words for countable and uncountable noun. Okay. So, see here. Which picture is this? This is the picture of bananas. Okay. So, a dozen of bananas. Okay, what is written here? Bananas. Then which picture is this? This is the picture of glass, and there is water in the glass. So a glass of water. Number 3. Which picture is this? Here this is a meat. Okay. So a pound of meat. ये meat है. Okay, a pound of meat. Then which picture is this? This is a grain of rice. Okay, a grain of rice. Then which picture is this? Socks. A pair of socks. Then which picture is this? This is the picture of apples. A score of apples. Then a mile of road. Okay, a mile of road. You can see here, this is the picture of road. Then which picture is here? Trees. So a forest of trees. A forest of trees. Then a cartoon of milk. Okay, this one is the cartoon of milk. Then a can of soda. Okay, this is the can of soda. Then this is the bag of money. So a bag of money. Then this is a chocolate. So a bar of chocolate. Then this is the roll of paper. So you will write here a roll of paper. Then this is the piece of music. Okay. So you will write here a piece of music. And a stick of butter. Okay. ये butter है. So a stick of butter. So students, here your chapter number 9, countable and uncountable, finish. Now let's see your next chapter, chapter number 10, nouns, number. Okay students. In previous video also we have learned about singular and plural nouns. Okay. So let's see your exercise. Come to your page number 41. Your exercise number 1. Underline the nouns in these sentences. Here sentences will be given. You have to underline the nouns. Write P for plural nouns and S for singular nouns in the given boxes. Students, here boxes will be given. In these boxes you have to write P for plural nouns. If noun is plural, you will write P, and if noun is singular, you will write S. Okay students, let's see. Number A, the boys are writing in notebooks. So students, in this sentence, boys and notebooks both are nouns. So you will make underline here. Okay. Now these both words are plural, in plural forms. Okay. So you will write here P in both boxes for plural forms. Number B, a little girl is playing with her friends. In this sentence, two words, girl and friends, both are nouns. Okay, girl is in singular form, you can see here, so you will write S here, and friends, this words in plural form, so you will write P here. Number C, cows give milk. Now in this sentence, this word cows and milk both are nouns, so you will make underline here. Now students, you can see cow's word is in plural form, so here you will write P in box, and this milk is in singular form, so you will write S. Number D, there are many houses in this street. Students, in this sentence, words houses and street both are noun, so you will make underline here. Okay, now you can see this word houses is in plural form. ये जो word houses है वो plural form में है, so you will write here P, and street is in singular form, so you will write here S. Number E, there are 5 cups on the table. So students, here word cups and table both are nouns, so you will make underline here. Okay, now you can see cups is in plural forms, so you will write here P, and table is in singular form, so you will write here S. Number F, the room has 4 walls. Students, here room and walls, these both words are nouns, so you will make underline here. Now you can see room is in singular form, so you will write here S, and walls is in plural form, so you will write here P. Number G, all the ink pots are new. In this sentence, the word ink pots is noun. Okay, so you will make underline here. Now students, you can see here ink pots is in plural form. Okay, so you will write here P. Number H, I have 3 balls but only 2 bits. In this sentence, balls and bits, these two words are in nouns and both are in plural forms. Okay, so you will write here P for both words. Number I, all my sisters can sing well. Students, in this sentence, the word sisters is nouns. Okay, so you will make underline here. Now you can see this word is in plural form. Okay, ये word plural form में है. So students, here you will write P. Number J, there are 7 days in a week. Students, you can see here in this sentence, words days and week. Both are noun. Okay, so you will make underline here. Now you can see this word days is in plural form. So here you will write P, and week is in singular form. So you will write here S. Number K. This book has 64 pages. Students, in this sentence, word book and pages both are nouns. Okay, so you will make underline here. Now you can see book is in singular form. Okay, so here you will write S. And you can see pages. This word is in plural form, so here you will write P. Now come to your next exercise, exercise number 2. This exercise is on page number 44. Write each of the following in singular number. Students, here plural form is given. You have to write this word in singular number. Okay, let's see number A. Flies. So what is the singular number of flies? Fly. Number B. Watches. तो उसका singular number कौन सा है? Watch. Then children. Children का singular words कौन सा है? Child. Number D. Mice. So what is the singular form of mice? Mouse. Number E. Houses. So what is the singular form of houses? House. Number F. Cities. So what is the singular form of cities? City. Number G. Matches. So what is the singular form of matches? Match. Number H. Branches. So what is the singular form of branches? Branch. Students, read this word properly and practice of this word. Okay. Come to your exercise number 3. Write each of the following in plural number. Now, here singular form is given and you have to write its plural form. Okay. Number A. Baby. So its plural form is babies. Number B. Bush. Bushish. Number C. Wolf. Wolves. Number D. Army. Armies. Number E. Loaf. So what is the plural form of loaf? Loaves. Number F. Face. Faces. Number G. Wife. Wives. Number H. Fox. Foxes. Number I. Buffalo. Buffaloes. Number J. Potato. So its plural form is potatoes. Students, here revision of your chapter number 9 and 10 finished. Students, read this exercise properly. Make practice of this exercise. If your work is still incomplete, make it complete and write in good handwriting. Students, if you have query regarding any topic, you can ask in comment box. Do your best, read properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.